So we got oh, Solitude Customs over here. What's up, buddy?
Back again.
Oh god, we're out here at Gator Run. Been here for 10 minutes. No, we've been there for about 3 hours. We're about to go on our first ride.
It's pretty wet out here.
It is pretty wet out here. We got some good rain. The F-250 two-wheel drive made it, no problems. The Dodges slipped around all over the place. We got Kevin here. What's going on?
Two-wheel drive.
Okay, all right. You got the badass Honda right there. That as long as Solitude fixes it, it'll be pulling everybody out today. Everybody.
Yeah.
What is this? A 150 you said?
Yeah, 150.
This is the free Sportsman.
Free one. Free.
You got Primo here. We got his high lifter going finally. Hey, go and get a shot of me and my Fintro waders real quick.
Got the Fintro's out here. Taking them on their second maiden voyage. I've had them for like 6 months. Only riding 2 times. Look at that. Oh, walking away with a logo. We got the Rubicon back. Solitude. Picked it up last night. We're about to go on the first ride, see how it does. Got the Axor place. He wrapped my exhaust. Look at this. He buttoned it up. Look at that. That's a good friend right there. I didn't even ask him to do that. He did that. He rebent my pipe back after that. Son of a gun bent it. Just a little quick. Rear diff. Rebuilt Tiger Tail. Basically brand new. He's gonna have a video on how to rebuild those, so keep a lookout. What else seals. We got all the seals done. And a bunch of shit. Refix some of the wiring. It's good to go.
You should put that Tiger Tail in the front so I can pull it out.
Oh my God. I got the hook on the front. I got the hook so you can get me right here.
New winch.
Oh yeah, got the new winch on there too. Yeah, new bike basically.
That sucker is like, you ain't been using me.
I know. We got the X2 over here, poor thing. Been neglected. I don't even know if it works. Okay.
Why you should sell it? It's because it needs some love.
You got the backup camera?
That thing's bad. Whoa, whoa. All that power. We're out here at Gator Run. Alligator Run, Tatum, Texas. X2's coughing up a storm over here.
It hasn't been rode in a long time because I bought that new one, so that's what I've been riding.
Honda hasn't been ridden in a long time either. But you said this is a race car.
Sounds like a Model T.
Model T.
Listen to it. It does. It sounds like a Model T.
It hasn't died out though.
Yeah?
Yes, it has. And I didn't think it was going to start for a minute.
The Honda? The Honda? It always starts up. It always starts up, man. It's been having to jump that damn Polaris so many times.
So you're leading.
What's that?
You're leading.
Nope. Nope. No, y'all got the Tyler snorkel leads. I thought you were gonna start selling these.
That's triangle, but it can make that.
Oh.
I don't know, I just not
Triangles, snorkel kit only came up to like here. And we raised them to here. It was pointless. I was like, that's not even high though.
When after I first rebuilt this thing, it was like on its maiden voyage. We were over there at the swamp and it was still a swamp. He's going through the oil slick and everything. And all of a sudden, he had that loud exhaust.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden, I didn't hear him, didn't see him. So I walk over there real quick, and then I turned the corner, and he's like up to here.
Holy shit.
I was like, my snorkels work!
So what's the deepest you've had this one right here?
I'm at it to here.
Good God, what the hell's y'all's problem?
It runs, man.
Yeah, it's awesome. Y'all are just wild.
Solitude, you ain't scared of your stuff. You're Solitude.
That's right. Yeah, I guess we had Solitude right down the
It's got that Honda
street.
that's scared of water. It's like a cat.
Oh my
So I call it a
God.
cat.
I don't know why I won't out on the water. He's tried to do everything he could.
Because it's a Honda.
It's something whenever it gets, just whenever that temperature change happens. Or something. I wanted that secondary throttle, but one day.
Where's your phone at? Did you?
Don't forget your monster either.
Oh, I've got it.
Oh, okay. Did it break?
Nah.
What happened?
What?
I don't know why I'm overthinking myself.
It locked up?
No, it's not on.
So I can always go next to you.
Huh?
It's not on.
On what?
Is it on?
Fan is blade is just sitting there.
So it spun off of it. Oh.
Do you want me to pull you back?
We're making sure it's working right.
How is that? This is the one that I even messed with. This is.
It's when you took apart. That sucks.
This is the one that went back on it.
You took it apart and greased it, remember? Must have came apart.
Shit.
Because that motor.
Oh well. I got two up. Nah, I just don't.
No, you ain't going home.
It's all right.
Once I got it in
Oh well.
You ain't going home.
Yeah, alright.
You ain't leaving.
Man, we got some nice trails out here. This is that bottomless stuff.
That has a little thing on the tiger tail?
Yeah, I got you guys. Somewhere down here.
Yes, sir. I know mine fell off.
Oh, really? Oh, that's right.
There's a little side thing.
Here, I'll hook on. I'll hook onto yours. I'll hook
Okay,
mine on
yeah,
yours.
that's cool. Whatever, baby.
All right. Yes, sir. Thank you. Oh, yeah, that's the way we should have gone. serious?
I can still use it.
Oh, let me call Brett, see if he has something.
Yeah.
Damn, this waders comfortable. I love it. Feel good. Fin trail. Get you some. Hoorah! Sorry, I'm not in the military. Sit rep. The 1000's down. The Honda's still going. Solitude will be back soon. They had to replace the fan on Kevin's Polaris. And it's a beautiful day. Feels good outside. Out here riding. I love it. So how's it going?
About to plug it in, almost done. Woo, ready to ride.